Hello Lamborghini fans in cheap, super deformed form. So when I say cheap, there's a brand of canned coffee in Japan called Wonda, and I guess they have these free toys that come on top of their canned coffee or something. But the Japanese people snatch them up and sell them on eBay or wherever, right? So I had to purchase these, but they're both Lamborghini Miuras, but they're clearly different from each other. So, and I actually have another one from Wanda. So maybe we could try to decipher how old these are. I don't see a date on this sticker. I see a 2 there and then 6 cars probably in that collection. Maybe this is the second Lamborghini collection? Naturally, if you can read Japanese, maybe you can enlighten us with a comment or something. Alright. So I think it's just snapped to this base here. Oh, there's a piece of paper under here as well. Oh boy. Okay, so let's see if this paper helps us out. 1965, that, this is the first supercar. Most people consider it to be the first supercar. It is licensed, but no date there. Alright, here's some other cars in the collection. I think I have that Stratos. I might, well, anyways. I don't see a date again. So it's really weird. Oh well. So sadly, I can't identify how old this is. But I guess if you see a listing and you like this casting, you want to look for this kind of red sticker and this dude giving the thumbs up. Alright. That goes in the trash. So let's take a look here. It's a metallic blue. The plastic itself has that metallic flake in it. There's some silver painted on the bottom. It's got very industrial looking wheels, but the tires are rubbery because these are pullback toys. Sorry. So it's got a little spring motor in there. Alright. And what's nice about this brand is they actually write Wonda Coffee on the bottom of these things. A lot of other ones, they're just totally blank on the bottom. Alright, so now we got Miura printed on the back, and then Lamborghini as well. I assume it's pretty hard to make out though, it's just a big black rectangle. Taillights are red, a little texture in black here. This tab here is probably part of the base. There's a little bump here for a key. The louvers are painted black. There's some vents up here, but no paint. The windows are just painted black. There's black here. This thing is all scratched up, or it's gunk, I don't know. Can't expect the best quality from something that's free on a can of coffee. Lambo logo. I like the black and silver here, and then some grille texture up front, some silver fog lamps or whatever, and then 2 little grooves there. So actually, considering it's free, it actually is pretty cool. I think it's a totally different type of deformation than I've seen. It's so strange. Like the wheels are pushed out towards the ends, and the door is relatively wide. Interesting. Let's see how it differs from this Wanda one. So let's see what this packaging, just black and gold there. Oh, there's paper in here though. Alright, this one has opening doors. Okay, so interesting. This one has side printing of the House of Bertone or Bertone styling. Silver paint down here as well. This one has really minuscule wheels. Alright, rubbery tires again. It says Wanda on the bottom. So then one screw and a tab back here. And yes. Okay. Now this Lamborghini is quite legible. And the Miura's logo is nice. Some texture here. Red taillights seem alright. This side looks okay. The black louvers. No vents up there. Just plain vent here, painted black very poorly, and then black and silver. The Lambo logo again with a little faint indication of text there. No textures here, but there is paint in all the vents and silver on the lights there. So that's interesting. Look, it's much bigger, that's for sure. It's wider. It's the same length though, so it's just the width is wider. Alright. let's pull out that one I have, the other one from Wonda here. Now see, this I had to put a sticker on because I suspect it's from Wonda. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is Kieran. But this one also has printing and all that stuff. It's got more accurate wheels. They look far more like the real photographs back there. So this is probably the best of the freebies. And this one also has the eyelashes. So this is like I think the very first Lambos had the eyelashes. These do not. And then also the vent detail here. This one has side vent detail to a little extent. This one has absolutely none. None of that vent detail. So in fact, let me put these things next to each other. You can see the orange one is quite wider. Goes more like that, from narrow to wide. Also height-wise, same thing. This is just a small caricature. This is a big caricature. Alright. This blue one has 3 taillights. Seems the most realistic. But this one's got some molded in exhaust. I think I may have painted those silver myself, though. The other two have no indication of exhaust. Oh, you know what? We didn't even try opening the doors on this thing. So I just did it with my fingernails. Not too hard to do. Definitely a child's gimmick there. They open amazingly well, though. There's a spring motor. You can see in there. Okay. And then, considering the panel gaps aren't... I've seen worse from real brands. Like, look at this panel gap, because it's plastic on plastic. I think you can get a tighter fit that way. The parts are more precise than cast metal. But these wheels are just so small. It's really ridiculous. The blue one, you know, these look like tank wheels or something. Tank bogey wheels. And then this black one just has the best wheels. I did add black paint to these. I remember that. Alright. So let's get all 3 of these things spinning up on a coaster. And then I guess I should pull out a 1/64 scale Lambo Miura. I have 2 from Kyosho. This one says Miura P400. So you can take a look at the wheels, how they're similar to that black one. And this next one is a Miura Hota. Alright. Here's a little top view. I would say, width-wise, the black one is most similar to the width of this. So I'll get these guys out because I have 2 more cartoonish ones by choro-q. So this is a choro-q 0, and that's just far superior in every possible way. And this next one is an older choro-q of a Hota. But there's something low quality about that one. I swapped the wheels on this from another choro-q and I painted details on them as well. But the 0 I left totally alone, I think. I don't recall adding any paint details or anything like that. Alright, here's another top view again. Alright, so we've done videos on all these other ones. These guys are gonna get a little spin time on their own. Okay, well, yeah, you know, these are cheap, so I bought them. I clearly don't need any more super deformed Miuras, but it's interesting just to see, you know, the different takes on cartooning a vehicle. And clearly all 5 of these were quite different, so that's why I'm happy to have it. And out of respect for the first supercar, I felt I needed to have these. This almost looks like a Corvette. It almost looks like a C3 Corvette. Okay, well, anyways, I'll probably get some more Wondas if I can find castings that I don't have yet. So hopefully you'll be around for those. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.